What happens the moment you stop reacting? The truth is, you become dangerous. Most people think power comes from speaking louder, arguing harder, or proving themselves every time they're challenged. But Marcus Aurelius taught something completely different. The calmest person in the room is often the strongest. Why? Because when you refuse to react emotionally, you take away everyone else's power over you. Think about it. Manipulators want your anger. Haters want your attention. Toxic people want your reaction. The moment you stay calm, they lose the only weapon they had against you. In today's video, you'll discover why staying calm isn't weakness, it's one of the greatest forms of strength ever taught by Stoic philosophy. Stay until the end, because the final lesson could completely change how you handle disrespect, criticism, manipulation, and conflict for the rest of your life. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's unlock the Stoic mindset that makes truly powerful men impossible to control. The first lesson is this: stop reacting to everything. Most people believe every insult deserves a response, every criticism deserves an explanation, and every disrespect deserves revenge. That's exactly how they lose control of their own emotions. Marcus Aurelius believed that the strongest mind is the one that cannot be disturbed by the actions of others. Think about that. If someone can make you angry with a few words, who really has the power? They do. Because they controlled your emotions without ever touching you. Stoicism teaches that your greatest weapon is not your voice, it's your self-control. Imagine two men being insulted. The first immediately argues, raises his voice, and spends the rest of the day thinking about it. The second simply smiles, stays calm, and continues working toward his goals. Who looks stronger? The answer is obvious. Calm people don't ignore disrespect because they're weak. They ignore it because they understand that not every battle deserves their energy. Your attention is valuable. Don't waste it proving yourself to people who have already decided not to understand you. Every unnecessary reaction steals time from your future. Every moment of self-control builds confidence. That's why emotionally disciplined people become impossible to manipulate. They don't give others free access to their emotions. They decide when to respond, and when to walk away. That's real strength. If this lesson is changing the way you think, hit the like button and subscribe, because the next lesson reveals why silence often destroys your enemies faster than words ever could. The second lesson is this: silence is often louder than words. One of the biggest mistakes people make is believing they always need to defend themselves. Someone insults them, they explain. Someone misunderstands them, they argue. Someone spreads rumors, they panic. But the Stoics understood something most people never learn. Not every accusation deserves an answer. Sometimes your silence is the strongest response possible. Seneca believed that the best way to deal with fools is not to become one yourself. Ask yourself this: if someone throws mud at you, do you throw mud back, or do you keep walking? The moment you fight every battle, you become exactly like the people trying to pull you down. Powerful people don't waste energy trying to win arguments. They use that energy to win in life. That's why silence is so uncomfortable for toxic people. They expect a reaction. They expect anger. They expect drama. But when you stay calm, they lose control because their tactics stop working. Your silence tells them, you no longer have access to my emotions. That's real power. Remember, your reputation isn't built by winning arguments online or proving yourself to everyone. It's built by your actions over time. Let your discipline speak. Let your results speak. Let your character speak. Those things will always be louder than temporary opinions. The people who truly matter will eventually see the truth without you forcing it. And those who don't, were never worth convincing in the first place. If this lesson opened your eyes, hit the like button and subscribe, because the next lesson reveals why calm people are almost impossible to defeat. The third lesson is this: real power is staying calm when everyone expects you to lose control. Anyone can stay calm when life is easy. The real test comes when someone insults you, betrays you, disrespects you, or tries to provoke you. That's the moment your character is revealed. Epictetus taught that no one can truly harm you unless you allow them to control your mind. Think about that. Every time you explode with anger, you've already given your enemy exactly what they wanted. They didn't win because they were stronger. They won because they controlled your emotions. Stoic men refuse to hand over that kind of power. Instead of reacting instantly, they pause. They breathe. They ask themselves one simple question: will this matter 1 year from now? Most of the time, the answer is no. That's why they don't waste their energy. They protect it. Because they know their energy is needed for bigger goals, bigger dreams, and a bigger future. Here's something successful people understand. Emotional control isn't about hiding your feelings. It's about refusing to let your feelings make your decisions. When your emotions become your master, your life becomes unpredictable. But when your mind stays in control, nothing can shake you. People begin to trust you, respect you, even fear challenging you, because they know they can't manipulate you. That's why calm people appear powerful. They don't need to prove anything. Their discipline speaks before they ever open their mouth. If this lesson changed the way you see strength, hit the like button and subscribe, because the final lesson will show you how calm people quietly become the most respected people in every room. If this video made you realize that real power comes from staying calm, don't just watch it, live it. Hit the like button because every like helps this message reach someone who's fighting a battle in silence. Subscribe now if you're ready to master your emotions, build unshakable confidence, and become the kind of person no one can manipulate. Now I want you to comment below: I control my mind. Not for me. For yourself. Because the strongest person isn't the loudest person. It's the one who stays calm when everyone else loses control. Share this video with someone who needs this message today. Remember, they control you the moment they control your emotions. Protect your peace. Master your mind. Stay calm. Stay stoic. I'll see you in the next video.